It's for us to bring more creativity, focus into any area of our life. And whatever you are in the midday break at work or you're ready to perform, it matters not. It all starts with a subtle, deep breath. That being said, keep your eyes open just for this moment and look somewhere in front of you. Look into this point and keep on staring at the same place and start breathing. 10 seconds inhale into your nose and 10 seconds exhale out your nose. This is going to be our baseline for this exercise. Now, this comes from a Zen master training where you can count up to 10 and then count back from 10 backwards. It will occupy your mind and it will keep you focused before we close our eyes. So wherever you are, continue doing the count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue in this rhythm and continue looking right in front of you. I want you to become so still, so centered, and relax all of your facial expression. Relax all of your muscles and just move into this deep presence and awareness.